The Phanteks Eclipse G360A is a mid-tower ATX case that offers a compelling blend of features and value for gamers. Its standout feature is the ultra-fine performance mesh front panel. This design cleverly balances airflow and dust filtration, keeping your components cool while minimizing dust buildup. Right out of the box, you get three 120mm DRGB fans and an integrated DRGB LED strip, adding a touch of customizable flair to your build. Controlling the lighting is straightforward, and it's even compatible with DRGB-equipped motherboards for synchronized lighting effects. Storage options are plentiful with dedicated SSD mounts and toolless HDD brackets. The G360A is ready for high-end hardware, supporting 360mm radiators in the front or top, accommodating even the most demanding cooling setups. You won't have to compromise on GPU length either, as it supports full-length graphics cards and even offers vertical GPU mounting with an optional bracket. The front I/O panel is easily accessible, providing two USB 3.0 ports, a microphone-headphone combo jack, the power button, and dedicated buttons for controlling the DRGB lighting. Building in the G360A is a breeze thanks to its thoughtful design. Cable management is well facilitated, allowing for a clean and organized interior. While the case boasts a premium aesthetic with its tempered glass side panel and sleek black finish, its price point makes it surprisingly accessible. Overall, the Phanteks Eclipse G360A is a fantastic option for budget-conscious gamers who don't want to sacrifice performance or aesthetics. It's a solid foundation for any gaming rig, offering excellent cooling, ample storage, and stylish RGB lighting, all at a competitive price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.